at the end of this video, I will add another video which I made previously so that this video is complete. This is for when you have a YouTube channel and you want automatically to handle the thumbnails of your videos and also the comments. So with this, you will see everything, the details in the second part of the video. But since that video, I made more changes. But you will get how it works, how to generate the image, how to set it as a thumbnail, all automatically. You will get to know this in the second part of the video. But for now, I want to go straight into the Public Connect workflows to do that. Before, I had this one. This is the second part of the video, how to reply to comments. And when there is a new comment, how to set an image as a thumbnail with this comment in the image. This is a workflow to do that. But now there is another workflow is for when you first upload the video. So this is the one. When you first upload the video, what you want to do is to have the thumbnail that prompts viewers to post their comment. So in the image, there will be a message for them to be the first one to post a comment. And also, you want yourself to post a comment first, because that's where people go when they go to a video and they scroll down to see the comments. So at least you will always have your own comment on all your videos that you post. And also the thumbnails will prompt users to post their own comment. Just like this. It doesn't say anything about their comment going to be in the thumbnails, but it prompts them to post a comment. Nicely, of course. And since when you post a video, you will have your own comment as the first one, there is a slight modification in the workflow to reply to comment. Here, you know, the trigger is when there is a new comment on your channel. What you want to do first is a condition to know if you are going to reply to this comment or not. Before, I wanted to know if this comment has already a reply. If it has, then we stop the workflow. But now we need to add also another condition, which is the author of this comment myself? Is it the channel? So is the channel ID the one of my channel? If it is, then we stop. We don't reply to this comment, to our own comment, of course. So that's the condition we need to add here. But now we will focus on the Public Connect when the video is first posted, uploaded, what you want to do. So you get, the action is to get the channel stats. Why is that? It's because in this action, we can know how many views in our channel, in all the videos, how many views we have, how many subscribers. And we want to use this information in the image. So I will show again the image here. You see at the bottom, you have a number of views and a number of subscribers. This is correct for this channel. And this is because we get it from this action. So another thing is to get a random thumbnail CTA, a call to action. This is this part, this sentence here. Be the pioneer and leave the first comment on this video. This sentence will not be always the same. I created 10 variations. So here, with this action in Public Connect, I get one of the 10 variations at random, and I will use it for the image for this video. So it's not always the same, but it says the same thing. Like you can read. So to do that, you know, you can just go see this page and do it on your own Public Connect. But come and post the first comment on this video. Be the first to leave a comment on this video. Don't be shy. Post the first comment. Your thoughts are valuable. Leave a comment on this video, etc., etc. So you know it's all call to actions to post. And now in this action, as we have seen in the previous video, and you will see in the second part, it's the tool to create the image. So here, it's different from replying to a comment and using the comment. It's different, but it's the same template that I use. Same template, maybe I can show you again. It's the tool, switchboard. This is the tool for the template. So you see the profile picture. In the background, there is also a picture, the same, but we can change it. A text here, a text in the middle, and here you have the two texts that can be changed to display a short text. So we have this template that we use, the size, everything is the same as before. For the background image, I use this website. You can use the same URL. It will give you an image of an art, abstract art. So you can use it as a background, doesn't matter what it is. It will be always different. It will be on the left. So here, it's these red things in the background. So you see, it's not useful to know what it is. So it's an abstract art. And you use this URL. And then, for the profile image, I use the... Here you see that is a profile picture of our channel. Profile picture of our channel. So in my case, this is the profile picture of my channel. Then for the profile name, so is the text next to the profile picture, so this text. For this, we use the call to action, which is be the first to share your thought on this video, leave a comment. Okay. For comment, it's this text here. Here we will use the title of the video. So we take from the trigger, we have the title of the video just posted. We put it here. And then for the to text at the bottom, here we write, we use the action 2, you know, when we got the stats from our channel. So we can use this for the views and this for the subscribers. And that's it, it will generate the image. Then we set this thumbnail to the video. And then we want to post the first comment. So for this, it's the same as, you know, CTA. It's the same principle. We use a spreadsheet formula to have 10 variations of a sentence. The sentence in my comment is to thanks people for watching and posting a comment. Once again, I prompt them to post their comment in this sentence. And for the second sentence, random sentence, is a CTA. This is a CTA to go to my website. So if you want to grab your welcome gift, head over to my website and enter your email address. This is 10 variation of this sentence. And this is for fun. It's just same principle, but to choose one random emoji that we will use this everything to post our first comment. So you see here the video ID that we got from the trigger, and this is the comment we post, the random emoji, the thank you random variation, and then again the emoji and the random call to action to go to my website. And in between here I put a break line so that it's on 2 lines. So that's the result we can see here. You go to the bottom, you have my channel posting the commentaire. Thank you so much for watching and commenting on my video. Your support is greatly appreciated. And you notice the emoji, the same. To claim your welcome gift, visit. No. So what you could do here is to select 2 random emojis and use them, one for each line. It could be an improvement. And here, that's the end. I just post this comment. What we could do also is from here, we can post on Facebook. If we have a Facebook group or Facebook page associated with our YouTube channel, we could post here. Also on Twitter, if we have a Twitter associated with this channel. So this will go after, and it will be the same principle. Just to say, oh, there is a new video on our YouTube channel. Go check it out, and we can send, for instance, if it's a Facebook post, it can be an image. We can use the image of the thumbnail that we just generated and use the link to the YouTube video. So that's it for this. Now, before I show you the second part, the second video, we will go through the workflow for YouTube comments, because it has changed since I made this video. I did some improvements. So here you can see when there is a new comment, here I had this action. I don't know if I did it before, I don't think so. This action is to list the video by ID in order to get statistics about the video itself on which we have a new comment. So we will use this same as before, is in order to display the number of views and comments of the video in the thumbnail image. And as you can see, I am cheating. Of course, I could not resist. So once we get this, I multiply the number of views by 2 because I don't have a lot of views. Those are vanity metrics, so I was compelled to cheat. So I cannot. So this is the action to do that. Is a number formatter, perform math operation. So you put here the number of views that you have and multiply by 2. And that's the result that I will use in the thumbnail. If you want, you can use the real number. And for the number of comments, I just add 1. Because at this moment, we should have 1, so it will be 2. This was more because of the S, the plural. So it will be 2, and maybe because the answer could be counted as a comment, but the answer, the reply to the comment is not yet here. So anyway, I just put 1, and that will be the number that I use to create the image. So here, but the same as before, the same as when it's first posted, it's here. In views, we use the result of the math operation, not directly the result of the video stats action. So that's it. We set the thumbnail. Here, I ask the artificial intelligence to reply to the comment. Okay. Get a random greeting, a random CTA, and a random thank you. But for instance, the thank you is not the same. No, I mean, yes, I think I use the same as the thumbnail. Anyway, you see which one I'm talking about. But here you have random infos about the video. And this one is to, in each reply to comments, I say there are now views and comments on this video and 10 variations of this sentence with the updated results. But they are from the math operation, so once again it's lying. But it doesn't matter. It's lying, but who cares? And random number, and that's it. And here also we could have, after posting the reply, we could post on Facebook and Twitter about the comments and use the image, updated image of the thumbnails with the comment, just to say, oh, there is a new comment, and you can put the comment in the message on Facebook and Twitter and prompt others to reply to this comment or to post their own comments on the video. You know, you can create more actions from every comment that is posted on your channel. So now it's time to see the first video, which goes more into details on how to do it with Public Connect and Switchboard. But here you have the whole things for our channel. It will take care of all the thumbnails and posting the first comment and replying to comments also. Bye bye. I want to show you how to change the thumbnails of your YouTube video with the latest, most recent comment. So you will have the profile picture of the commenter, his name, and his comment, and this will be in the thumbnails of the video. And when there is someone else commenting on the video, the thumbnails will change again. So as you can see in the background here, you have the profile image of the commenter, and also here. So how to do it? You have two things to use. One, of course, is a tool to create an image with variables. Create an image from a template. So it's a tool named switchboard.ai. And the second thing is an automation tool such as Zapier. Personally, I use Public Connect. It's the same. And this tool will allow you to be notified when there is a new comment on a YouTube video, and it will allow you to change the thumbnails. And also, as you can see here, so for this last comment is here, we can reply automatically to this comment, and we can put his name and also other things which are dynamic. For instance, this sentence comes from artificial intelligence, a not very clever one. It's not GPT-3, it's not something like that. It's very simple, and it replies often. It's not very relevant, but we provide the comment to this artificial intelligence, and it gives us an answer, so we can put it in the comment. So first I will show you maybe the tool to create the image. It's called switchboard.ai. So I create a template with the size of 720p. So it's the size for YouTube thumbnails. And inside I create text, images. Basically it's all the template. In this image, the only thing that doesn't change is my logo for Build and Roll. Otherwise the text are just placeholders. And the way it works, it's depending on the text, it will always try to fill in the box. So if it's only for the profile name, only a few letters, there will be big letters in the center and middle of this box. For the comment, if it's a short one, the letters will be big. If it's a long one, they will be small, but they will always be in this box. And you can see in this image that the background image, which will be the profile image, doesn't prevent us from reading the text. Why? Because I added some transparency, white transparency. And to do that, in fact, you can see here the background. This is the image, the background. And you have also a transparent cover, which takes the whole template. And I created this image in a tool, a graphic tool. So here in red, you have the transparent parts. So you see here, it's white with opacity, full opacity. And then there is a gradient to transparent. And also I made a box here, which is white, but semi-transparent white. So you can see behind, but it's still white. So if I remove, I don't know if you can see it in this screen, but here you have the square. You can zoom in, you have some square, which, well, I don't think you can see anything, but here you have transparent, and here it's white, but also semi-transparent, but here it's totally white. So this image, I put it over the background image. So that's why in the middle it's white under the text, so that the text is more readable. So once you have made this template in Switchboard, you can use it in Public Connect. So I will show you now in Public Connect the whole workflow. So it starts with a trigger when there is a new comment on one of the videos of my YouTube channel. And then I make one filter, one condition to continue only if there is no reply to this comment, so that it doesn't reply to the replies and change the thumbnails many times for just one comment. So we use the condition inside the trigger. We have the total reply count. If it's equal to 0, so this new comment hasn't been replied by either by Public Connect or by someone else, then we can continue. And this check of new comments is every 10 minutes. So if someone posts a comment on a channel such as mine, for sure there will not be a reply by someone else under 10 minutes. And often, it's every 10 minutes. So when someone posts a comment, maybe 5 minutes later, Public Connect will check on if there are new comments. So it's not every 10 minutes. It depends when the comment is posted. It can be 1 minute later that it will be discovered, or maximum 10 minutes later if we are not lucky. So the next step after that, if we are to do it, is to create the thumbnail. And here we choose the template that we made, and we send the URL of the profile image of the commenter that we got in the trigger. We put it in the background image and also in the profile image on the top left. And for the profile name in the text at the top, we put the profile name of the commenter that we get, everything we get in the trigger, and also the comment. And then after that, we have the image. It has been created. So now we can set the thumbnail to the video. For this, it's also easy. You give the video ID, which we got in trigger, and we send the image URL that Switchboard gave us. Then, in order to reply to this comment, first I need to URL encode the comment before sending it to the artificial intelligence API. So I have to do that. So next, I send it to the API and I get a reply, an answer to this comment. Then I also create a random greeting. So this is to have a variation in my replies. So I do a spreadsheet formula, which I take a random number from 1 to 10, and I have 10 different greetings. So it will take one of them. And then I generate again with the spreadsheet formula, I generate a random number between 1 and 15 in order to wait for 1 to 15 minutes before replying to the comment. And in the reply, all we have to do is give the comment ID that we got in the trigger. So we put it here and we compose the reply with a random greeting, space, the name of the commenter, comma, the answer from the artificial intelligence, and then 3 dots and a sentence in order to promote my website. And this sentence, I could also do like the greetings and have some variation. So maybe I will do it later so that the comment will always be different. It is already always different, but it could be even more if I don't have the same sentence promotional sentence at the end. So I will make some variation of this. And that's it. So that's finished. You could add some improvement to this, but the way it is, it's okay, it's working, and it doesn't take much paid task, because in Payly Connect it works with free task and paid task. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 paid tasks for one comment, and we get a lot of paid tasks, because this Payly Connect you can get a lifetime deal. For Switchboard I have also a lifetime deal, but I don't know if they still do it, maybe. But there are other tools you can find which create images from a template by sending them some variables, and they compose the image. So you have choice, you can find a lifetime. Otherwise, both Payly Connect and Switchboard, they have a monthly plans. So if you want to use it by paying monthly, I think it's a nice addition to your YouTube channel, so that it always change the thumbnail. Sometimes it can be interesting, or it can appeal to people to see this. You can see here another one inside this. So it's the same principle. Okay, that's finished for this